University of Nottingham Formula Student Team. We're proud to be sponsoring them this year for the July race event with their new electric car. I think it's their first electric car.
I think so, yeah, possibly.
We're supplying all their bagging consumables for the build of all the composite parts and supporting them in processing guidance and things like that. Yeah. So yeah, very, very pleased to be doing that and to be able to go along to the car launch, which I think is July.
Yeah, it's going to be good. It's VAC's first Formula Student Team sponsor, I believe.
It is.
So it's quite good to actually get involved with these programs, helping the future of those composite engineers.
Yep.
Is great. They can get hands-on with our products early when they move about. I believe Alex, who's organising it, could be going to one of our customers, which is really good, which is fantastic.
Yeah.
So that actually, shows that helping these students, when they move into these places, they've already got hands-on with the products. They're going to go in, they know exactly what they're doing, exactly what they're working with. Maybe not what they're doing, but they certainly know the products and how they work and how they feel, which is great for when it comes back to getting them into industry.
Exactly. There'll be a long way up that learning curve. The universities do great work with the facilities they have. Which we will work with them more in the future and potentially use some of their facilities for some of our own programs as well, so that we're working with students in the future as well. Yeah, and it's it's another extension of the partnerships and collaborations that we want to build on, and really showcasing what the university can do, what our products can do, and supporting a really good cause, because sustainability, electric vehicles is the future at the moment. It would seem.
It is.
So it's a great thing to be involved with. So really looking forward to seeing the car run.
And talking of the university car, we're actually going to be exhibiting it at Advanced Engineering. So when you're taking it along for when we do the show at Advanced Engineering, we're actually going to be exhibiting the car as well, which would be really good. It'd be on a separate stand, but we're inviting them to come along to the event with us.
Exactly. So it's good to get the students out to things like the Advanced Engineering show. They get to see more of the industry, meet more people, and for them, prospective employers when they complete their degrees. So it again is it's a nice way for us to give a little bit back to the industry and to the local community. Nottingham's local to us, with VAC being based here in Hinckley. So an exciting program, and I'm really pleased that we've been able to do it.
Yeah, and Advanced is always a great show. We love Advanced. We have our stand's fantastic. I love our stand. Last year was my first year on the stand, and it was just nice to actually be on the stand. In fairness, I've walked around Advanced loads, but never actually been stood on a stand before. So, and the VAC stand is fantastic. So open and wide, and all the team turn up, and you get some really good conversations down there.
Exactly, and it's an opportunity not only for us to showcase our products, but also our people. Build on our relationships. Our work supplying autoclaves. They're available to hire and buy, from small standalone plug and play claves up to whatever size you want, essentially, and we'll help you manage that process of purchase and installation as we go forward.